Here we have a Volkswagen T-Cross. It's a 1 litre TSI SE hatchback and it's 115 PS. The car's in great shape and it has a top spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, an automatic post-collision brake, black roof rails, a radar sensor control distance monitor, lane assist, alongside these 17-inch Clayton alloy wheels. Now looking at the boot, it's a good size and it is very spacious. The interior has Volkswagen Roadside Assistance, an eCall emergency call service and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.